So here's our biological age, our DNA methylation kit. Got my kit here. That's my DNA saliva sample collection kit. Open that up. In there on the inside cover, you've got the instructions. Similar to the ApoE test, you want to make sure you haven't eaten or drank or chewed gum, smoked, any of those things at least 30 minutes before you provide your sample. So I'm just going to pop out my little sample tube here. So as you can see, I filled it up to the 2 milliliter line, just a little over, and any bubbles that are in there are sitting above that line. So now I need to take the other tube that comes in that kit, which is filled with a clear solution. I'm going to take the top off of that and mix that into the sample I just gave, that aside, and then I will unscrew the little funnel top, put the top that they provided in the kit, top, and then the instructions say just to invert the tube about 10 to 15 times. So we'll do that. All right, and then we're going to take our biohazard bag and put that inside. So seal it up, take the air out. And we're going to put this inside our nice bubble mailer. Drop that in, and then we will grab the return shipping label, pop that right on the front, and then pop it into the mailbox, and off it goes.